Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we are going to solve a very common and frustrating issue that many Mule developers encounter, the non-resolvable parent POM error. If you've ever started building a custom Mule connector or worked on a Mule project outside of Anypoint Studio, you have likely seen this build failure. It can completely halt your development process, but the good news is that the fix is straightforward once you understand the cause. In this guide, I will explain what this error means and show you exactly how to fix it so you can get your project building successfully. Let's start by understanding the problem. Every Mule project uses Maven, and your project's configuration is defined in a file called POM.xml. This POM file acts as the instruction manual for building your application. The term parent POM refers to a master POM.xml from which your project inherits configurations and dependencies. For Mule connectors, this parent is typically the Mule extension's parent. The error non-resolvable simply means that Maven, your build tool, cannot find this required parent file. It's like being asked to use a master template that you can't locate. This happens because Maven, by default, doesn't know about MuleSoft's specific online repository where these files are stored. The solution, therefore, is to tell Maven where to look. You can do this in one of two ways. The first and recommended method is to configure your global Maven settings. You need to find your settings.xml file, which is usually located in a hidden .m2 folder inside your user home directory. Open this file and add a new profile specifically for MuleSoft. Within this profile, you'll add a repository section and define a new repository. Give it an ID, like MuleSoft Releases, and set the URL to MuleSoft's public repository, https://repository.mulesoft.org/releases/. After defining the repository, you must activate this profile by adding its ID to the active profiles section in the same settings.xml file. Save the file, and your global Maven configuration is now aware of MuleSoft's artifacts. The second method is to add the repository information directly into your project's POM.xml file. You can add the same repository block inside a repository section in your project's POM. While this works, it's less efficient because you would have to add it to every new Mule project you create. After you have applied one of these fixes, return to your project terminal or command line, and run your Maven build command again, such as mvn clean install. Maven will now search the newly added MuleSoft repository, find the parent POM, download it, and your build will proceed without the error. And that is how you fix the non-resolvable parent POM error. It's all about pointing Maven in the right direction. I hope this tutorial was clear and helped you solve this issue quickly. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and allows me to continue making helpful content for developers like you. If you have questions or other topics you'd like to see covered, leave a comment below. Thanks again, and happy coding!